Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to download the custom components and the template. So if you're watching any of our tutorials, you'll notice down here that there is a link. If you click that link, you should see a landing page show up, and what you need to do is just put in your information here and click download now. Now this takes you to our thank you page, and you can go and listen to some of our podcast episodes or go to more tutorials. But if you check your email, you should have received a confirmation. So go ahead and click confirm your subscription and get my GH components. And when you open the downloaded file, you should see two folders and an instructions file. So in the instructions, I tell you exactly which versions of Rhino and Grasshopper this was built for. And you could follow these instructions, but I'm going to show you over here how to do the same thing. So usually I would just take these and put these on the desktop, and then when you open Rhino and open Grasshopper, go to File, Preferences, and down here under this area here, Files, you'll see that there is a template file option. So go ahead and search for it, and if you go back to wherever you unzip the file, so for me it was on the desktop, you should see that I have the template right here. And if I just close this out and I create a new file, you should see that now you're using the template. The next thing is the user objects, and to do that you go to File, Special Folders, User Object Folder. So this is where you want to drop those special components in. So again, go back to the folder where you had the components and then simply copy and paste them into the user object folder. Now I already have them in there, so I could just replace what I have already there, and that should do it. In Grasshopper, you should see, if I make this a full screen, you should be able to just double click and you should see that they all show up in here if you just type LC. If they don't show up, you could just restart Grasshopper by typing in Grasshopper Unload Plugin and then restart Grasshopper, and you should have all your components there. So I hope you guys enjoyed the tutorials and enjoy these components, and leave me a comment if they've helped you or if you have any suggestions. Thank you.